Welcome back to Jaeger Racing. Today we're going to be putting on some Whiteline Rear subframe bushings on the Mustang. Alright, so now we have our 4 bushings for the passenger side. Now we're going to take out the 2 bolts in the front mount, loosen the front mount, loosen the rear mount, and then we're going to slide some bushings in. This is a pretty easy install. Now make sure when you're doing this, I'm in here supporting the rear subframe with the jack. Make sure when you do it, you're grabbing the one that indicates front and this is top. As you can see, I had to rotate it ever so slightly to get it to set in like it's supposed to. And then you look for the one that says lower front. And that slides on there nicely. Now I'm going to place those back in, just a few threads in, just to make sure, you know, nothing really terrible happens. I can take out the rear. And again, I look where it says rear upper. Slide that one into position. I can actually jack this up a little bit. Now, we need a pry bar apparently to get this washer, or whatever you want to call this thing, out of there. That's what it looks like out. Make sure you put it back up this way. And that's it. Just rinse and repeat to the other side, and that'll give you a lot more stability in your rear end, tightening her up. And who doesn't like a nice tight rear end? So here's the bushings installed. You have the lower front, lower rear, upper rear. 4 quick, easy bushings to install. That's definitely going to help the car be more tight in the rear end, where this car apparently is very lacking.